It's another Dekiru English Academy video. Look at that cute logo. Hi, I'm Shane from Dekiru English Academy. Today we are going to talk about about we use after emotions to explain why do you feel that emotion. For example, I'm happy. I'm happy about this weather. It's a beautiful day. I love warm weather. So I'm gonna go walking. I'm happy about the weather. Also, I'm happy about tonight's dinner. Tonight, I'm going to make tacos. I love tacos. So I'm happy about dinner tonight. Excited? I'm excited. I'm excited about tomorrow. I'm going hiking tomorrow, so I'm excited about hiking. I love hiking. Also, this summer or fall, I'm going to Disneyland. I'm excited about Disneyland. I love Disneyland. It's always so much fun. So I'm excited about Disneyland. I'm also excited about football season, American football. I love football and I'm very excited all the time. So I'm very excited about football season. But my team isn't very good. My team is the Minnesota Vikings, and they're so-so. So I'm worried about the Minnesota Vikings. I hope they win, but I'm worried about them losing all the time. I'm also worried about bears. When I'm hiking, I'm excited about hiking, but there's bears in the mountains, so I'm worried about bears. And at Disneyland, I'm worried about all the people at Disneyland. There's always long lines, so I'm worried. Can I get a fast pass to Splash Mountain? I hope so. I love Splash Mountain. But so I'm worried about that too. And at Disneyland, I always eat too much, so I'm worried about getting fat. So what I do, I'm happy about, I'm excited about, I'm worried about, I'm sad about. I'm sad about my football team always losing. Oh, Minnesota. Also, I'm sad about my chocolate chip cookie. Somebody ate my chocolate chip cookie. No, wait. I'm not sad about, I'm angry about my chocolate chip cookie. Somebody ate my chocolate chip cookie. Who did it? Okay, don't worry about that. I'm happy about, I'm sad about, I'm excited about, I'm worried about, everything's about. Okay? So, I hope you understand this. I'm worried about you. I hope you're okay. I'll talk to you later. Thank you. Goodbye.